Hi everyone, and welcome to Bistegs TV. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're putting a fun twist on a classic with chicken wings and Sprite. Yes, you heard that right. In just a few easy steps, you'll have crispy, delicious wings that are perfect for sharing with family and friends. Let's get cooking. All right, let's get started on the wings. First, grab a large bowl and add all your chicken wings to it. Now, pour in 125 milliliters of Sprite. The bubbles and citrus work wonders to tenderize the meat and add a subtle sweetness that makes these wings extra special. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Give everything a good mix until each wing is nicely coated. Now comes the fun part. Let the wings marinate. We recommend letting them sit for at least 30 minutes to really soak up those flavors. And if you have a bit more time, marinate in the refrigerator for up to 2 hours. Trust us, the longer they marinate, the more delicious they'll be. Now, let's get cooking. Heat some oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Give it a minute or two until it's nice and hot, perfect for frying up these flavorful wings. Time to fry. Gently place each chicken wing into the hot oil, one by one. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. This helps them cook evenly and get that perfect crispy texture. Let the wings cook undisturbed until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This should take a few minutes, so be patient. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to flip each wing over. Look at that golden color, exactly what we want. Let them cook on the other side until they're just as crispy and golden. This step ensures that every bite is packed with that perfect crunch. If needed, you can adjust the heat slightly to prevent burning while keeping that deep, rich color. Once both sides are beautifully golden, we're ready for the next step. Now let's take the flavor up a notch. Sprinkle the chopped garlic directly over the wings and let it sizzle, releasing that rich, mouth-watering aroma. After a few seconds, add the chopped ginger. It brings a warm, slightly spicy kick that balances the sweetness of the Sprite. Stir everything together, letting the garlic and ginger coat the wings as they cook. This step infuses every bite with deep, savory goodness, making these wings even more irresistible. Now, it's time to bring all the flavors together. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that deep, savory umami taste. Then add 3 tablespoons of ketchup to give the sauce a rich, tangy sweetness. And here's the magic touch. Pour in the remaining 125 milliliters of Sprite. The sweetness and carbonation will help create a perfectly balanced glaze. Give everything a good stir, making sure the wings are fully coated. Now, cover the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. As the sauce thickens, it will cling to the wings, giving them that glossy, caramelized finish. Just wait until you see how beautifully these wings turn out. For a fresh, colorful finish, let's add some chopped spring onions. Sprinkle them over the wings and watch how they instantly brighten up the dish. Not only do they add a pop of color, but they also bring a mild, slightly sweet crunch that pairs perfectly with the rich, savory sauce. This step is optional, but trust us, it makes a difference. And that's it. Our delicious chicken wings and Sprite are done. Just look at that glossy, caramelized sauce coating each crispy wing. The perfect balance of sweet, savory, and garlicky goodness, all packed into one dish. These wings are incredibly tender on the inside, crispy on the outside, and bursting with flavor. Serve them up with rice or enjoy them as a tasty snack. Either way, they're guaranteed to be a hit with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching Bistegs TV. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. We've got plenty more delicious dishes coming your way. Stay tuned, stay hungry, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!